Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol OPTT. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Been doing this analysis on a routine basis, but after today's price movement, definitely some updates need to be made, as it was a pretty severe pullback. So like I said, definitely updates need to be done. First I'm going to do is actually just some house cleaning, get rid of that line. It served its purpose for now. But from the presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. But the first update that needs to be done comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. And that's where $2.50 comes into play. So if there is any sort of attempted consolidation and then having the price bounce back to the upside, 250 is now going to be that main level that you're going to want to watch very closely. So 250, public enemy number one now on any sort of, like I said, attempted bounce. So keep a close eye on that. And if the price can actually get back to up that level and then fight up through it, the next key level of resistance after that point would then be right up there around the 275 mark. So again, 250 and then 275, next two key hurdles and battlegrounds that the price will have to fight through, like I said, if there is going to be any sort of worthwhile bounce. Now on the flip side of things, as far as levels of support are concerned, first key level of support to watch moving forward, going to be right there at the $1.85 mark. If $1.85 can't quite hold up, the next level after that, not until down around the $1.50 mark. So $1.85, I'm not going to quite call it a must-hold, do-or-die level, but definitely a relatively important one because, like I said, if that level doesn't quite hold up, then there's quite a bit more wiggle room potential to the downside. But we'll see what happens with it. But yeah, as of right now, I'm not going to say that the chart's destroyed because that'd be a little bit too overly dramatic. But yeah, it's starting to look a little shaky here, but we'll see if the price can try to get things turned around or not moving forward. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.